Hi there. In this video, I gotta explain you my function and my component. Let's start from the imports. Here I have three imports. First of all, it's React, which I import from the React, and three hooks, whose names is useState, useEffect, and useRef. Also, I import here index.css. It's a style sheet for styling your component for your file. And also there is another one component. It's called Recrawl. Recrawl is just this like button. Let's go here. Here I have const nav, which takes as a function window location href. Href is a link which links me to the YouTube channel and to the YouTube video. Here I have form with button, and clicking on the bottom I have such a function like nav. Let's go there. Here I have four consts. First of all, it's text and set text, which takes as a first parameter empty string. Second const, I have time remaining and set time remaining, which takes as a first an argument like 5, but it doesn't matter actually. It can be 10, it can be 15, it's up for you. Third one I have is time running and set is time running. It's a useState, which takes as a boolean argument, and this argument is false. And the other one is const word count and set word count, which takes also number argument. It's a 0. And const textbook ref. It takes useRef hook, which takes null. Here I have function. Function handle change. I always like the way when we naming our function with handle, because handle is something that you need to change. That's why I've already used to do it. Here I have value which takes e dot target, and also I have set text. It's state from here. Here I have function change time. Let's actually look at the component and our page. Here I have word count. Let's type something. It counts 2 words. Function, the other one is called calculate word count. Text as argument is text, and there is const words array, just R, and it combines methods, different methods like trim and split, which divides your empty string in 2, and this returns word array filter. It's one of the most popular methods for array. It's one of the popular like map and index of, and it takes as argument word, and if word isn't equal to empty string dot length. Here I have function. It's the main function which start your game. This at first of all it changes your state from false to true, so it's time running. Also it's the time remaining. It's the other one state. Takes the argument time remaining. Third is set text, which takes empty string, and set word count. It takes this argument 0. And also I have here 2 textbooks ref. It's actually it came from useRef hook, and there is a function in game. It's sets timer running, and it becomes false. Also I have set word count, which calculates word count, which takes as argument text. Here I have interesting thing, because each second I can do it by myself. I can customize it, because my 1 second can be 2 seconds or even half a second. Let's take a look at this. I have 5 seconds. And look at this. Here have even less than 30 seconds. It's maybe 20 and a half. Yeah, but let's make it by default. By default, 1 second. Actually, set timeout takes as a second argument your time, and 1000. Yeah, you need to write in the milliseconds. It doesn't take as a parameter 1 second. And as far as you know, 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second. Let's do it like this. Also, I have array of dependencies. First index of array dependencies is time remaining. Second one is time running. And here I have usual layout. I suppose there is nothing interesting, but here is interesting thing that text array takes one argument, which is called disabled. As far as we know, disabled is used for not touching your input or text array before you clicking some buttons, and this button we have start. And here we have that it's able to use. And also I have here input, which also first of all is disabled. Disabled when your time is running. Yeah, it's disabled. You can't change it. You can't alter it in your way of doing it. And right here I have button. On clicking I have start game. Also, there is one argument which is called disabled and takes as a props is time running. Here Rickroll is a component which I imported at the top. And here I have word count, which takes you state number 0. It's right here. Word count is equal to the words that you type to. Let's click the button, and we can see it. It refers us to the link correctly. I hope you enjoyed the video.